Let's talk about global warming. How can global warming affect animals? No, what will happen to animals because of global warming? Animals could. You don't know? If they have no more food because of global warming. Huh? The ice will melt fast, so the fish will also die. So the animals like polar bears, no more food, right? What will happen? What will happen to polar bears if no more food? They will live or die? Die, of course. So how can you help minimize the problem of global warming? What will you do to help? Louder. You can or I can. You don't know. What can you do to help? Because we have no more trees, what will you do? Oh, you could plant trees. And we have many garbage, we have many trash all around. What will you do to help? You could help clean the beach. And if you are using electricity like this, aircon, light, what will you do? This light, if you are not using it, you will go out, what will you do?
Turn off.
Oh, you turn off the light or turn off the gadgets you're not using. Yeah? Okay, now turn to the next page. What animal is it?
Fish.
Oh, can you describe a fish? It has.
It has the eyes.
Mm-hmm. What else? Eyes and what?